Hi, welcome to the amazing world of testing. We're going to go to page 152 to do listening part 2. Okay, this one, important to read the text is going to be about. Remember, you will have 10 sentences missing normally a word, sometimes 2 words. Okay, even 3 words is possible, but most times it's just 1, sometimes 2. Okay, and what you can do for this one is, having listened to lots of English before, but too late for that now. But it's not too late until you do the exam. Practicing will always help. Then stay focused, okay, because they come one after another. It's like more or less one paragraph. I'm looking at the script, and you have a question per paragraph. Sometimes there's 20 seconds between one and the next. Sometimes they'll be closer, but in general, they are like between 10 and 20 seconds apart. Okay, so it's like one after another, basically. So if you get a bit lost, perhaps you're looking at number 10 while they're talking about 11. So then you have to try to catch up while listening, reading, thinking about the answer is very hard. So it's important to stay focused. Something that helps is reading this quickly and predicting what word fits. Okay. Most times they are nouns, so just writing a noun doesn't help. Okay, so try to guess. For example, in this one there were 10. I wrote 1, which was the actual answer. 1 out of 10. Sometimes I don't get any. Other times I get 3 out of 10. So predicting helps, and then you already have an idea of what you need. Obviously, if you need a noun, let's say a number, you're not going to get only one number. Like how many tea plants there are in the world, you're not going to get a number. They may say there are whatever million people in the world, a billion people, and there are as many plants as people, or there are more, like twice as many plants as people. You will always have something to make it a bit more complicated. Okay, so it's important, okay, that you predict it and you more or less know what's coming, and you are aware of the fact that you may hear something that fits grammatically, but that's not the answer. Okay, many people think that, but, so the answer comes after but, for example. Most of my friends studied psychology. However, I decided to, okay, so yeah, psychology is what his friends studied, or her friends, but they studied something else. Okay, he or she studied something else. Okay, so you have to be careful with this. Okay, so go ahead, listen to it twice, and I'm going to write the answers. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to start writing the answers. Okay, please make sure you have the answers. I'm going to show them 3, 2, 1. Okay. So nothing correct them. Remember, spelling mistakes are more or less accepted, like rainfall. If you only write rain, to be given as correct. But fall and you only write 1 L, that's okay. If it's a bigger mistake, or the word can be mistaken for a different one, then it wouldn't be given as correct. Okay, but little spelling mistakes may allow you to still get the point. Okay, what you can do again is listen to it again and try to notice how this word appears, which is what I'm going to show you. Okay, so I would encourage you to listen to it again and notice how the word appears, because the style is more or less the same. Okay, like these things like but, blah blah, I thought. Okay, it's the word appears as it is, but in a different sentence. Like the information is arranged in a different way, the order is a bit different, and there are some synonyms sometimes, or sometimes some words are repeated. Okay, so I'm going to show the evidence. Okay, make sure you've tried to find it first. Okay, so the evidence. I came across a documentary. Okay. There are things, online, articles, blah, 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 books, but you see, there are books, but I didn't buy any of those. So you have options where books and articles and internet, history, there are different options, but I came across a documentary that covered everything. So that is the answer. Okay. Ice. So it was too hot, so they decided to put ice to produce a more refreshing drink. So that was how it changed. It's actually a tree. Now we've seen a tea bush. I actually wrote bush when I predicted, but you see, after but, I hadn't realized that it's actually a tree. Then rainfall is really important. Rainfall. There must be a lot of rainfall. So rainfall Okay, soil and sunshine are much less important, so this is the most important factor. Now, I need to stop for a second. Okay, they have to be handpicked to obtain the highest quality product. So the important thing is to handpick, like to take them with your hand. Temperature is very important. You risk damaging the flavor of the tea, so this is very, very important. Some people say water quality matters, but so this person disagrees. So this is what I said. They may say some people, other people think you normally believe that. Okay, so this is important because you get distracted and then the answer comes. Have you ever tried it with honey? It's what giving it a go. It's a lovely flavor combination. So the suggestion is that instant tea, there's no way I would drink that. So there's no way you drink instant tea. They change the order of the sentence models of information, but you have it there. Energy, my aunt, so my relative, my aunt claims it gives him more energy, so higher energy levels or whatever. And okay, in this one, it says a traditional tea ceremony. I definitely love to do one day. Okay, so that's the evidence for part 2. Thank you very much. Bye.